Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a very exciting video. I want to try two new products with you guys. I kind of cheated, and the day that I got these, I gave it a quick sniff, but I feel like I wasn't even paying attention and I honestly don't remember much. So this is going to be a first impression on the latest release from Rare Beauty. So we have a new fragrance. We have Rare Beginnings, and this is a pear fragrance, so I'm very excited about that. And we also got a fragrance layering balm. Let's jump right in because I'm very excited. I did cheat and I smelled this when I first got it, and to be honest, it was not what I was expecting, but I don't remember too much, so I want to give it another try and see what I get from it. So let's start off with the main accords. So the main accords are sweet, white floral, fruity, vanilla, aquatic, fresh, and floral. The top note, we have pear and pistachio, which sounds so good. And then we have middle notes of jasmine, gardenia, and lotus, and base notes of sugar, vanilla bean, and cedarwood. Sounds like you can't really mess that up, but then again, I wasn't too sure about it. Let's go ahead and let's give it a try today, and let's see what I get the most of. So immediately I feel like I get more of the pistachio than I do the pear. I'm getting jasmine, pistachio. Something, is it the woodiness from the cedarwood? Yeah, so I'm getting woodiness with jasmine and pistachio. I wouldn't really think of pear with this perfume on my skin right now. To me, it's like aromatic, a little fresh, but to me, this is more a little nutty, aromatic, floral. That's what I'm getting from it. I'm not really getting like aquatic vibes. I'm getting pistachio mixed with white florals and woodiness. Honestly, everyone has their own version of their fragrance, right? So it's totally fine. But just what I was thinking in my mind when I think of, seeing pear and the way that it was just looking so juicy, I was like, ooh, maybe this will kind of like scratch that itch from the Giorgio Armani Ocean di Gioia pear that they discontinued. And I am just so obsessed with that pear because it literally smells like a pear, and the fragrance is very kind of like what it was described here, except no white floral. But that fragrance is also aquatic, it's fresh, ocean like, and then that pear is what makes it beautiful. So that's kind of what I was chasing with this, but this is totally not that, and I'm getting more of like some of the DNA of the original Rare Beauty fragrance, kind of like Burberry Goddess type vibe. I don't know, it's like if you're mixing that type of perfume with some pistachio, white florals, and a little woodiness, and it's kind of fresh but more in an aromatic way to me. So I want to try and see how the balm smells, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the balm. All right, so this is the Rare Beauty Fruity Pear Fragrance Layering Balm, and this has sparkling pear, lotus blossom, and white wood. So you can pair together to enhance and intensify your fragrance. You're going to apply the balm to your pulse points, then spray the eau de parfum on top. So this is going to help with longevity. It's supposed to be lightweight, non-sticky, and safe for sensitive skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some to my hand, and then we will spray the perfume on top of the balm and see what I think there. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the texture of this. So here is how the balm looks. It literally feels like those primers that blur your pores, if you know what I'm talking about. Now this, can I please get this exact same scent in a perfume? I would buy it in a heartbeat. I am so obsessed with the way that this smells. This is taking me back to something that I used like in high school. This is exactly those types of smells that I love, which is like I just washed my hair, fruity shampoo, kind of like those L'Oreal 90s vibes shampoos. This is so, if you and me have similar taste, this is like intoxicating to me. Fruity, fresh. I'm gonna spray the perfume. Oh my god, that's so good. I'm gonna spray the perfume on top and see if I can do the perfume with the balm. If I'm completely honest, I feel like the perfume is not for me. The perfume adds this layer of jasmine that I cannot do. And if you've been on my channel for a long time, you know jasmine is one of my trickiest notes where it rarely works for me, especially when the jasmine is like so strong. I really smell the jasmine in here, so I'm probably gonna end up putting this on my Mercari, but I'm definitely going to be keeping the layering balm because this right here smells divine. It smells heavenly. So if I had to choose, I'm going to say that for me, 1000% worth it for this. I would love to have a perfume that smells exactly like this. Very uplifting, perfect for hot weather, but even if it's not hot weather, it just makes it feel like you took a shower with like some really good smelling product and you're just walking around smelling fresh and juicy and amazing. Now, the perfume, I would give it like a 7 out of 10. It's not a bad perfume at all. I feel like the jasmine would probably keep it smelling for a while, like smelling strong. I just don't think it's for me. So this one I'm going to pass up on, but amazing, amazing job on the Fruity Pear. I am so happy with this. So that brings me to the end of today's video. So if you have tried this fragrance, comment down below. Let us know what you think about it. Let us know if you loved it, if it wasn't what you expected. Cannot wait to chat with you guys. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Keep my conscience clear, that's why I'm so magnetic. Manifested, I finessed it. Take my pen and write some love letters to heaven.